So I have here a character in a blank room, and I want something to happen when I click on them. Right now there's no visual feedback, which is super boring. When I click on it, nothing happens. Like I could click it, 10 times, and you can't even tell that I'm clicking it. And a lot of game development is about feedback. When you do something, the player should know that they did something. So the game should, play a sound effect or bounce or squish or do something interesting. So we're going to do that using something called a SuperSprite. And once we've imported the SuperSprite package into our project, we need to set it up with just a couple lines. So in our create event, we're going to type in sprite equals new SuperSprite. And what sprite do we want to give it? We want to give it the same sprite as our object here. So we're just going to use sprite index. In the step event, we're going to say sprite.update, and this allows the animation to update every frame. And then one more event for the draw. Where do you want this SuperSprite to be drawn? So we're going to say sprite.draw at its current X and Y position. If we were to run the game right now, it looks like nothing happened. It's just regular sprite. But because we did the create event, the step event, and the draw event, it gives us access to some new cool features. So in the mouse left pressed event, we're going to call a new custom animation by saying sprite.squish. And that is a special function that a SuperSprite knows about that squishes the sprite when I left click the mouse. So when I click on it, boink, you get this really cool little juicy sprite squish animation where he bounces up and down. So SuperSprite has lots of different kinds of effects like this, whether you're waving the sprite or flicking it or shoving it. And we'll go over more in practical examples, but for now I just want to show you, you can just call something as simple as sprite.squish and get this really nice responsive animation when I click on this character. The animation will run without having any additional frames in the sprite.